Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your appearance of your player in your club. So let's get started by tapping the club. I made this video for beginner or for new player only. So if you want play with style like long shirt or short shirt, a short jersey, you can tap the locker room, tap this appearance. So if you want to long sleeve, you can tap it, this tap confirm. And if you want some short sleeve, just do it here. This is the default. You can also change by player. Select a player, tap different player. I choose Neymar here, tap confirm Neymar, and tap long sleeve. And you can try it one by one here. So please free to try to change your appearance of your player. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.